Plant FAQs. Peperomia columella. What is Peperomia columella? Hi everyone, Fervu here. Today, I want to delve into the fascinating world of the Peperomia columella, a unique and low-maintenance succulent that has stolen the hearts of many plant enthusiasts. This little wonder boasts plump, nickel-sized leaves with a captivating windowed texture. Native to the cliffs of Peru, the columella thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers well-draining soil, making it a perfect choice for forgetful plant parents like myself. Now, let's address some of the most common questions about this delightful succulent. See more 1424 species in genus Peperomia at monsterholic.com. Light, sun worshipper, or shade dweller? The Peperomia columella leans towards the sunnier side. It flourishes in bright, indirect light. Think of a room bathed in the gentle glow of an east-facing window. While it can tolerate lower light conditions, growth may be slower, and the leaves might lose their vibrant color. Water. When does less is more apply? Here's where the succulent nature of the columella shines. It thrives on infrequent watering. The key is to allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Overwatering is the arch nemesis of this plant, leading to root rot and a sad, mushy demise. Here's a simple trick. Stick your finger into the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's watering time. Soil, the foundation of a happy columella. Drainage is paramount for the columella's well-being. Opt for a well-draining cactus or succulent mix. You can even create your own by combining regular potting mix with perlite or pumice in a 1-to-1 ratio. This ensures excess water doesn't linger around the roots, preventing rot. Fertilizer, friend or foe? The columella isn't a heavy feeder. A balanced, diluted fertilizer applied once a month during the growing season, spring and summer, is sufficient. During the winter months, you can skip fertilization altogether. Temperature, keeping it cozy. This little Peruvian native prefers warm temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature drops or cold drafts. Humidity. Does it need a spa day? The columella isn't fussy about humidity levels. Average household humidity is perfectly fine. However, if you live in a particularly dry climate, occasional misting can be helpful. Growth habits, a slow and steady climber. The columella is a slow grower, typically reaching only a few inches in height. Its compact size makes it ideal for terrariums or small pots. It grows in a creeping manner, with new leaves emerging at the tips of the stems. Common problems? Watch out for these. Overwatering. As mentioned earlier, this is the most common threat. Signs of overwatering include mushy leaves, yellowing foliage, and stem rot. If you notice these symptoms, immediately remove the plant from its pot, trim away any rotten roots, and repot in fresh, well-draining soil. Pests and diseases. Fortunately, the columella isn't particularly prone to pests or diseases. However, keep an eye out for mealybugs and scale insects, which can be treated with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Propagation. Sharing the columella love. The columella can be easily propagated through stem cuttings. Take a healthy stem tip with a few leaves, allow the cut end to callus over for a day or two, and then plant it in a pot with well-draining soil. Keep the soil moist but not soggy, and soon, you'll have a brand new Peperomia columella to grace your home. Peperomia columella versus Peperomia obtusifolia, baby rubber plant. These two Peperomia varieties are popular houseplants, but they have some key differences. The columella is a succulent with plump, nickel-sized leaves, while the obtusifolia boasts larger, teardrop-shaped leaves that resemble miniature rubber plant leaves. The columella thrives in bright, indirect light and requires infrequent watering, while the obtusifolia can tolerate lower light conditions and prefers slightly more consistent moisture. In conclusion, the Peperomia columella is a charming and low-maintenance succulent that makes a fantastic addition to any plant collection. With its unique foliage, compact size, and easygoing nature, it's perfect for both seasoned plant enthusiasts and beginners alike. So, give the columella a try, and you might just find yourself falling in love with its captivating beauty.